Hey there, thanks for stopping in and checking out the poster. I'm Brian Roberts with BCR Consulting, and I'm going to be presenting some of the findings from a project I worked on for the National Association of County Engineers, NACE. This was a grant that we received from the Road to Zero Foundation, one of the first grants they awarded. And I'm going to give you just some of the highlights, some of the data aspects of this. And then we'll be able to get together later on and sit and talk if you have any questions. We had several objectives in this study. Number one, we wanted to raise awareness of the importance of local road safety. We wanted to improve the collaboration between the state DOTs and the local agencies. We wanted to encourage adoption of new proven practices that other states have used successfully. And ultimately, we did want to change behavior on how DOTs and states work together, namely also allocation of resources. Tasks included data collection on fatalities and funding, identifying 5 key states to conduct stakeholder meetings with, and then document those findings. What we're looking here at the fatalities, the local fatalities by state, and you can see they vary greatly. Some are very high, some are low, and many are in the middle there. And you can pause the video at any point and take a closer look and see where your state is compared to others. Here we're looking at the percent of the local fatalities on the system versus the percent of HSIP funds applied to the local system. And you can see that it varies greatly. Let's look over, all the way to the left, you'll see Alabama. About 40% of the fatalities are in the local system, yet only 5% of the HSIP funds are applied. Now look in the middle towards New Jersey, you'll see that it's more equitable. It's about half and half. But if you step back and look at all the states, you'll see that we've got a long way to go. So you can pause this slide there at the bottom of your screen and take a closer look and see where your state is and how it compares. Finally here, we're taking a look at the top 10 states in terms of local fatalities. That means the states with the highest local fatalities on their system. The first thing I want to point out, the note at the bottom, these 10 states represent 60% of all the local fatalities in the country, yet only receive 7% of the HSIP funds. In this table, you can see the 5 states we selected and visited with. That's California, Texas, Ohio, New York, and Georgia. We sat down and discussed their program and had very good conversations. Of those 3 states, I'll tell you that California, Ohio, and Georgia have really moved forward with implementing their program. I encourage all of you to download this report, take it to your DOT, sit down and have a conversation with them about how they're dealing with local road safety. Thank you very much. I look forward to chatting with you soon.